This is Ryan. I'm calling about your ad in the paper.
I don't have an ad in the paper.
It's a fridge. Said it keeps your shit cool.
No. Not this number.
802-4522. That's the number in the paper.
That's the number that's in the paper for a refrigerator?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't have a refrigerator for sale. And
Well,
this is my cell number. No, I'm sorry.
Well, right
I must
now
have wrote the wrong number down.
Right now I'm using a bag of odds and a fucking bucket. I need a fridge.
You need a refrigerator?
Yeah, I'm using a bag of ice and a 5-gallon bucket.
Hang on, I might know someone that has one for sale. Hang on.
Okay.
What paper was it in?
Malvern Daily Record, sir.
Malvern Daily?
Yes, sir.
I'll have to call in and have them remove it. What kind of refrigerator are you looking for? Apartment size, small one, big one, what?
Big one.
Only thing I can that's one of those little bitty studio apartment ones.
My kids' popsicles are melting really bad. Oh my God, it sucks.